Getting justice for him will never bring him back, but it's all I can do right now.
How much is a life worth? To Jennifer Reed, priceless.
That man loved his kids like no man I have ever seen in my entire life. He FaceTimed them every morning before school, every night before bed. He would do anything for time with his kids.
And on November 5th, she says that's all he was trying to do when he tried to pick up his son from his ex-wife at her business in South Lubbock.
He's not physically going after her. I mean, he was just like, where's my son?
The encounter turning deadly when Christina's boss and boyfriend Kyle Carruth confronts Chad with a rifle and fires 2 fatal shots. With no charges, as Carruth claims self-defense and the case waits in the Attorney General's office, Jennifer filing a wrongful death suit against Carruth, alleging negligence, civil assault, and intentional infliction of emotional distress.
You can't escalate the situation, make a violent situation, and then claim self-defense. That's not how it works. Carruth should have never been involved in the argument. Carruth should have never injected himself into the argument, and he certainly should have never brought a gun. That's unreasonable conduct, and unreasonable conduct creates liability on the civil side.
The lawsuit targeting not just Carruth, but his businesses. Buzbee asking for $50 million to aid the financial burden of Chad's death, compensate for the family's anguish, and discourage this behavior in the future.
I don't know what the value of life is in the state of Texas. I could make a good argument that the value of life is much more than $50 million. Sometimes in the civil context, you have to set an example of people. So this is not a case against gun owners. It's not a case against people's right to have a weapon. This is a case about somebody who didn't act reasonably with a weapon.
But for the Reed family, they'd give up their chance at every dollar for their dad.
He was the love of my life, and every morning I wake up without him, and every night I go to bed without him. And it didn't have to happen. It did not have to happen.
And we also learned late today that the judge presiding over this lawsuit has recused himself. Judge Les Hatch of the 237th District Court requesting they assign another judge to sit in that case. And that comes after the district attorney's office already recused itself, citing Kyle's former marriage to District Judge Anne Marie Carruth. Now, we still have not received any update from the Attorney General on this process, on this case, but of course we'll keep you updated with the latest as we learn it.